अब हम आते हैं G7 पर। G7 क्या है? दिस है इंटर गवर्नमेंटल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो फॉर्म कब हुई थी? 1975. इनिशियली इट वाज फॉर्म्ड एज एन एफर्ट बाय द यूएस and its allies to discuss economic issues which included battling a global oil crisis. G7 ग्रुप ऑफ सेवन में कौन कौन आता है? कनाडा, फ्रांस, जर्मनी, इटली, जापान, यूके, यूएस, which discusses issues such as global economic governance, international security, and energy policy. G7 was known as the G8 for several years after the original seven were joined by the Russia in 1997. Russia was expelled. Russia was expelled as a member in 2014 following the latest annexation of the Crimea region of Ukraine. G7 nations meet at annual summit that are presided over by leaders of G7 nations meet at annual summits that are presided over by leaders of member countries on a rotational basis. G7 does not have a formal constitution or a fixed headquarters. India is not a member of the G7 group. Update: recently, India has been invited as a special invitee alongside the G7 nations. अगला आता है G7 Artificial Intelligence Group. G7 Global Partnership on AI launched recently through a virtual meeting between national technology ministers, started by Canada and France 2 years ago. USA recently उसने ज्वाइन किया है. US also shows interest in inviting India, South Korea, Australia to join, right? तो G7 Global Partnership on Artificial Intelligence launched recently through a virtual meeting between national technology ministers. This is started by Canada and France 2 years ago. USA ने इसे recently join किया है. ठीक है. G4 क्या है? G4 nations comprising the Brazil, Germany, India, Japan. These are the 4 countries which support each others for permanent seats on the UN Security Council. अगला आता है D10 Club for 5G. UK administration has approached the US with the prospect of creating a 5G club of 10 democracies. 5G club of 10 democracies that groups the G7 nations with Australia and the Asian technology leaders South Korea and India. 36th Asian Summit 2020. 36th Association of Southeast Asian Nations Summit 2020. That is 36th Asian Summit 2020. Association of Southeast Asian Nations. Chaired by Vietnam. Plus Summit has decided to establish the Asian COVID-19 Response Fund. Asian COVID-19 Response Fund. Asian consists of 10 members. कौन कौन से हैं? All from Myanmar to Indonesia in Southeast Asia. नेमली कौन कौन से आते हैं? मलेशिया से लेकर म्यांमार से इंडोनेशिया तक कितने? ब्रुनेई, कैम्बोडिया, इंडोनेशिया, लाओस, मलेशिया, म्यांमार, फिलीपींस, सिंगापुर, थाईलैंड, वियतनाम. और इसकी थीम क्या थी इस बार की? कोहेसिव एंड रिस्पॉन्सिव एशियन, राइट. अगला आता है एशियन पीएचडी फेलोशिप प्रोग्राम. एशियन पीएचडी फेलोशिप प्रोग्राम ये अनाउंस हुआ था 2018 में. अनाउंस्ड ऑन इन 2018 बाय द इंडियन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. 1000 fellowships will be provided exclusively to the Asian citizens. APFP, right? APFP, Asian PhD Fellowship Program, is the largest capacity development program undertaken by the Government of India for foreign beneficiaries. Under the program, students of the Asian member states have got the opportunity to study in the IITs, which are among the best global institutions. Association of Southeast Asian Nation, that is ASEAN. ASEAN basically क्या है? This is a regional intergovernmental organization comprising 10 countries in Southeast Asia. Right. अगला आता है एशियन डिफेंस मिनिस्टर्स मीटिंग प्लस that is ADMM plus that is Asian Defense Ministers Meeting plus. Vietnam has invited India for Asian Defense Ministers Meeting plus ADMM plus being hosted by Vietnam in 2020. ADMM plus is a platform for ASEAN. This is a platform for ASEAN and its 8 dialogue partners to strengthen security and defense cooperation for peace, stability and development in the region. 8 dialogue partners: Australia, China, India, Japan, New Zealand, Republic of Korea, Russia and the USA. Fine. Collectively referred to as the plus countries. Next आता है 14th Asian Defense Ministers Meeting plus, that is 14th ADMM plus, हेल्ड वर्चुअली रिसेंटली अभी हुई है. ADMM प्लस एक प्लेटफॉर्म है एशियन का और 8 डायलॉग पार्टनर्स का टू स्ट्रेंथन सिक्योरिटी एंड डिफेंस कोऑपरेशन फॉर पीस, स्टेबिलिटी एंड डेवलपमेंट इन द रीजन कौन सा? ऑस्ट्रेलिया, चाइना, इंडिया, जापान, न्यूजीलैंड, रिपब्लिक ऑफ कोरिया, रशिया एंड द USA. सेकेंड ADMM इन सिंगापुर इन 2007. सेकेंड जब ADMM हुई थी 2007 में, उन्होंने अडॉप्ट किया था कंसेप्ट पेपर टू इस्टेब्लिश द ADMM प्लस. तब उन्होंने इसका मतलब अडॉप्ट किया था फॉर प्रैक्टिकल कोऑपरेशन इन फील्ड्स ऑफ मैरीटाइम सिक्योरिटी, काउंटर टेररिज्म, ह्यूमैनिटेरियन असिस्टेंस एंड डिजास्टर रिलीफ, peacekeeping operations and military medicine. Next is 17th Asian India Summit. India announced a contribution of $1 million to the COVID-19 Asian Response Fund. Both India and ASEAN welcomed the adoption of the new Asian India Plan of Action for 2021 to 2025. 17th Asian Indian Summit. India announced a contribution of $1 million to the COVID-19 Asian Response Fund. Next is India-ASEAN relations. India became a strategic partner of ASEAN in 2012 after progressing from its earlier roles of sectoral partner 1992, dialogue partner 1996 and summit level partner 2002. India-ASEAN strategic partnership acquired a new momentum with the announcement of Act East policy in the 12th summit in 2014. Since ASEAN-India commemorative summit in 2002, ASEAN-India summit have been held every year. India has a free trade agreement with ASEAN spanning goods, services, investments. Asia being India's 4th largest trading partner. At the 25th anniversary of ASEAN-India dialogue relations in 2018, they adopted Delhi Declaration, which charts out the future direction of ASEAN-India strategic partnership. India has an annual track of 1.5 event Delhi dialogue for discussing political, security and economic issues between ASEAN and India. So this much for today. Thank you.